Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how you can withdraw money from Bidget to bank account. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. Withdrawing money from Bidget involves a few steps. Here's a guide on how to do it. Log into your Bidget account, click on the wallet symbol located at the top right corner and select Withdraw. Note that withdrawals are only permitted from your spot account. To withdraw from your futures account, you must first click Transfer to transfer funds to your spot account. For external wallet withdrawals, opt for the On-Chain option. Then, select the asset you wish to withdraw. Choose the appropriate blockchain for your transaction. Then input the address of your external wallet or pick one from your saved addresses, and specify how much you'd like to withdraw. Click Withdraw to move forward. For security reasons, you'll need to verify your request through email code, SMS code, fund code, Google Authenticator code. If you want to make an internal transfer to another Bidget account, opt for the Internal Transfer tab. For internal transfers, it's free and fast, and you can simply use an email address, mobile number, or a Bidget UID instead of the on-chain address. After completing the withdrawal process, you can head to Assets to check your assets. To check your withdrawal history, scroll down to the end of the withdrawal page. And that's how you can withdraw money from Bidget to bank account. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.